Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you about my project, that is Timetable Management System or University Timetable Management System, which I have developed using Spring Boot and React.js. So the technologies which I have used for the development of the projects are Spring Boot for the backend, React.js for the front end. For database, I have used MySQL, Maven for the project and the dependency management, and Bootstrap 5 for the styling purpose. Softwares used for the development of the project. So for the backend, I have used STS or Spring Tool Suite. For the front end, VS Code, and for database, I have used the MySQL Workbench. User modules present in the project. So the project basically has three user module, that is administrator module, teacher module, and the student module. Functional modules present in the project. So the very first and the very important functional module is user authentication module. The second one is grade module. The third one is grade course module, then batch module, and the last and the very important module is timetable module. So in these functional modules, there are multiple functionalities which I have implemented. We will see all these things in the later part of the video, but as of now, let's see the basic overview of the project. So as we know, our project contains three modules, that is administrator module, teacher module, and the student module. So firstly, admin will register and log in into the system, and after the login, admin will add multiple grades into the system. As we know, in any university at the top level there are multiple grades, okay, or we can say standards, like first standard, second standard, then 10th standard, 11th, 12th, then after that bachelor's, then master's, correct? So after adding the grades, admin will add the courses in that grade, okay. For example, in BTech first year, there will be course Java, Python, JavaScript programming language, okay. So in the similar way, admin can add multiple grades, and in multiple grades he can add multiple courses. And in the similar way, in any university, for one grade there can be multiple batch based on the number of students, okay. So let's suppose this grade has two batches, okay. Now since admin has added the grade and courses in the grade, and also he has added multiple batches in the grade, so now admin will register the teachers into the system, okay, because in any university there can be a multiple teachers, okay, who will be taking the lectures, correct. So after registering the teachers, now admin can schedule the timetable, and during the timetable schedule he can select the time range, okay, like from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. this teacher will take the lecture for the course Java, okay. In the similar way, admin can schedule the complete timetable by selecting the batch, course, and the teacher and the time slot. So we will see the complete thing, like how admin will schedule the timetable in the later part of the video. But yeah, as of now, admin will schedule the timetable, and now once admin will schedule the timetable, the teacher can log in, and now he can see his timetable, okay, like what all lecture he have to take for the batch 1 and the batch 2, okay. Day wise he can see the complete detail, and also teachers can register the students into the grade, okay, and student can also log in into the system, and they can see the timetable based on their batch. And at the end, admin will be able to search the timetables by selecting the multiple parameters like the course, grade, batch, or teacher, okay, so that he can perform in the admin dashboard. So this was the basic overview of the project. Now let's see the complete project in detail, but before that I would like to request you guys to please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really takes lots of time and efforts for creating such type of projects. So hit that subscribe button to motivate me to create more such type of projects for you guys. Now without wasting any time, let's see the complete project in detail, and for that let's go to the other end. So firstly, let's see our backend code. So this is our Spring Boot application, and as I have already told, like I have used STS or Spring Tool Suite for the backend development. So we can see the complete packages here, okay. And this is Maven structure. As I have already told, I have used the Maven for the project and the dependency management. So we can see the complete packages here. I have created multiple packages like config, then controller. Here all our REST APIs are created. One of the controller is here, timetable, okay. So this much API I have created in the timetable controller, okay. This is our entity package, okay, exception. So basically in this project I have implemented multiple Spring Boot topics such as interceptor, Spring security, then JWT, exception handler, okay. Multiple things are there. Swagger is also implemented here, we can see, okay. So now let's also see our front end code. So this is our React.js application. We can see multiple components I have created. Okay, batch component, course, then grade, page, then timetable component, user component, multiple components I have created here. So without wasting any time, firstly let's execute our project. So firstly I'll run the Spring Boot application by clicking on it, right click, then run as Spring Boot app, and till then I will also run my React application. So for this, I'll simply hit the command npm start. Now let our both the front end and the back end application run. Okay, Spring Boot application is running now, and we can see the version 3.2.2. That is the latest version actually. Okay, so our Spring Boot application is running, and it is running on port 8080. And let's also see our React.js application. It is still running. Okay, so now since our backend application is running on port 8080, and since I have configured the Swagger also, let's see the Swagger UI. Okay, so for that, uh, I'll hit the URL, this one. Okay, localhost 8080 swagger UI index.html, which is present inside this Swagger config. Okay, we can see here the URL I have given here, so we can simply copy and paste here. Okay, so it's loading, and we can see here I have created multiple like controllers, and inside it multiple APIs are there. Okay, so there are total 5 controllers. Okay, here this is user related APIs, then grade controller, multiple APIs are there, batch controller, course controller, and the last one is timetable controller. Okay, so our React.js application is also running fine, and we can see the output here in the browser. So now since both our backend and front end application is running fine, let's see the complete project in detail. So this is the home page of our website. Okay, so this is static page actually. So we have to log in as a admin firstly, and we can see here multiple roles: admin, teacher, and student. So firstly we will log in as an admin, but the question here is like we have directly got the login option, but till now we have not registered any admin. So let me tell you one important thing, like as soon as you run the backend Spring Boot application, it will automatically register one demo admin into the database, so that we can log in by using that username and password. Okay, so firstly we can use that demo admin. I will provide the credential for the same, password, login, logged in successful. And as soon as I logged in as a admin, we can see we have got multiple options in the navigation bar. The very first one is view timetable, then add grade, view grades, add course, then yeah, multiple options we have got basically here. So firstly let's register uh, or add grade. Okay, firstly let's add grade, but before that let me see the grades which I have added earlier. So till now I have added 3 grades. Okay, btech first year, btech second year, okay, sorry, first year sem 2, then btech second year sem 1. Okay, so now what I will do, I will add the btech second year sem 2. Okay, because we know for each grade we have multiple 2 sems, semester 1, semester 2. Correct, I will paste the same thing here, add grade, grade added successful. And now if I click on view grades, we can see the second year sem 2 got added here, and we can also update and delete the grades from here. Okay, so as of now I'll update the grade, and let's make it to, I'll write here grades. Okay, update grade, grade updated successful. Okay, in the similar way you can change the name and description. Okay, here we can see it got updated. Okay, then after that we can also delete the grade if you want. Okay, we can delete also from here. So let's see, for this sem 2 I'll delete. Okay, okay, let's delete this only. I'll copy this, I'll add it later again. As of now, let me delete this grade, and we can see here it got deleted from here, and now I can add it again. Correct, I will paste the same grade here and add grade added successful, and again if I click on the view grades, it got added here. Okay, so update and delete we saw. Then after that we can see the courses present in this grade. So as of now, if I click on the courses, definitely this will be empty because till now we have not added any course in this grade. Okay, we have added this grade just now. Okay, so what I will do, I'll click on the grades and I will see the courses present in the BTech first year sem 1. Okay, so here we can see for the sem 1 BTech first year sem 1 there are 3 courses I have added here. Okay, yeah, so I'll add the course here. Okay, course, then batches also in the similar way. If I see the batches for the BTech first year sem 1, okay, there are 2 batches here. Okay, and here batch 1 batch 2 for the grade first year sem 1. Okay, and here I have got the option called upload timetable. Okay, so from here I can upload the timetable. So I'll show this thing in the later part of the video. As of now, let's add the course in our newly added grade. Okay, so definitely here also it will be for sem 2 it will be empty because we have not added any batch for that grade. Okay, so now I will click on the add grade. I will add the course here, sorry. Okay, so for sem 2 I will add so I'll give the name as compiler design 1. Okay, same thing I will paste here also. Description, we can add anything here. Okay, and from here we can select the grade on which like we have to add this grade. Okay, so I'll select the latest grade which I have added, that is BTech second year sem 2. Okay, I'll add the course here. In the similar way, like if I click on the grades now and if I click on courses, so we will be able to see compiler design 1. Okay, the course added successful, and now again I will add a few more uh, course here. I will write here assembly language. Again I'll paste here select grade. Again I'll select the same thing, add course. And one more very important thing here is if we talk about the grade course and all, the complete thing is dynamic. Okay, here I'm taking the example of BTech first year. It doesn't mean like you will also add BTech first year. Okay, it will be dependent upon your university. Okay, our project is completely dynamic, so this is the advantage of this project. Okay, it can be used by any university, whether it is from India or out of India or worldwide. Any university can use this. Okay, so we have added 2 courses as of now. Okay, if I click on view grades and if I click on courses, there are 2 uh, courses I have added. I will add one more thing. Okay, I will add here microservice, let's suppose. Okay, in the same grade I'm adding the course. Okay, and course added successful. And again if I go there, and here we can see microservice also got added here. So in the BTech second year sem 2 we have added 3 course. Okay, and again if I click on the view courses also, here we will be able to see the complete courses. Okay, present in the university. Okay, from all the grades. Okay, so we can see for Java, this course is from the BTech first year sem 1. Okay, and this 3 things I have added here in the second year sem 2. And the thing is we can also update the courses from here. Okay, let's suppose I want to update this. Okay, because the compiler design is here also and it's 1, so let's make it to 2. So I'll update this and I will make it to 2 and update course. Okay, course updated successful, and if I go there we can see now it's compiler designer 2, compiler designer 2. Okay, in the similar way we can delete also. Okay, so let's delete this microservice. Okay, I'll delete this. So yeah, if I see here, it got disappeared from here. And again if I go to the view grades also, I can see the courses here. Microservices got deleted. Okay, from this grade. Then the second thing is add batch. Okay, So as of now, for this grade or standard, there is no batches. Okay, batches are empty. So batch is very important. We have to add the batch also, because in any university there are multiple batches for one grade, correct? So I'll add the batch 1. I'll name it batch 1. Okay, batch 1, and I will select the grade as BTech second year sem 2. Okay, I'll add it, and if I go to the view batches now, so now we can see batch 1 got added, but inside the in the BTech second year sem 2. Okay, there are multiple batches already present for multiple grades, but just now we have added the batch 1 for the uh, our grade BTech second year sem 2. Okay, yeah, again if I click here also grades, this one sem 2, I'll click on the batches. So in that grade batch 1 is present, and from here also we can update the batch. Okay, batch 1, we can write here batch 1. Okay, update the batch now, and we can see the batch 1. Basically we can update the batch name also. Everything is possible here. Okay, we can see batch 1 here, it got updated. Okay, now after that I will, before uploading the timetable, okay, uh, yeah, and also one more thing, we can delete the batch also. So as of now, let me delete this one, I will add another one. Okay, it got deleted, we can see the batch got deleted. And if I click on the view grades and batches, it is empty now. So I will add the batch 1 again. Okay, batch 1, batch 1, batch 1, select the grade sem 2. Okay, add grade, sorry, batch, and I will add the batch 2 also now. Paste, I will select the same grade, add batch, and now if I click on the view grades and sem 2, I'll click on the batches. Now there are two batches. Okay, batch 1 and the batch 2. And again if I click on the view batches also, here we will be able to see all the batches. Okay, here we will be able to see all the batches from all the grades. Okay, these two I have added for the newly added grade, that is BTech second year sem 2. Okay, so we have added the batches also. Now I'll click on the batches, and now we can see here we have got option to upload the timetable here. Okay, for this batch we can upload the timetable, and for this batch also we can upload the timetable. Okay, why we are getting this option upload timetable? Because we have not added the timetable for any of the batch here. Okay, we have seen the update and delete option also here. Now let's register the teacher also. Okay, already I have registered a few teachers. Okay, these are the teachers which I have registered till now. And also uh, okay, there are no students as of now, so I'll register the teacher now. Okay, let's make the teacher 10, teacher 10. And one more important thing here, the whatever data I'm entering here, okay, all are demo data. Okay, I'll register the teacher now. User registered successful. And now if I click on the view teachers here, our teacher 10 got added here. In the similar way I will add the teacher 20 also. Teacher 20, demo last name, or I'll write demo name, teacher 20. Register the teacher, view teachers now, and we can see our teacher 10 and teacher 20 got added in the system. We can also delete the teacher. Okay, so as of now let me delete the teacher 20. Okay, but remember now we have only 4 teachers present in the university. Okay, Murad Ali, Mubarak, and the teacher 10. Okay, then after that view student, it is empty now. Okay, so for registering the student, teacher have to log in. Okay, so we will see the teacher module in the later part of the video, but as of now, since we have added the teachers also, we can schedule the timetable. Okay, so I will click on the view grades here, and I will click on the batches. Okay, so for each batch, okay, batch 1 and the batch 2, I can schedule the timetable. Okay, so firstly I will schedule the timetable for the batch 1, so I'll click on the upload timetable button, and from here we can see we have got option to add the timetable from here. Okay, and we can see the schedule timetable here. Okay, so whatever data which we will set, firstly it will be visible here, then after confirmation we can click on the upload timetable button. Okay, to upload the timetable into the database. Okay, as of now, like if I click on the upload timetable, then it is showing like missing input. Okay, and if I click on add, then select proper detail. Okay, so let's schedule the timetable for the grade sem 2. Okay, btech second year sem 2, and for the batch 1. Okay, so I'll select for Monday time slot 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I'll select the course compiler design 2, select the teacher as teacher 10. Okay, which just now I have registered. After that I will click on add, and we can see here on Monday, uh, for course compiler designer 2, teacher 10 will take the lecture. Okay, Monday 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Monday 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. So in the similar way I can make schedule the timetable for all the time slot. Okay, now I will go for 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'll make it to assembly language. Okay, and this time a teacher Murad will take the lecture. I'll click on add. We can see Monday 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Monday 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Our course will be assembly language, and Murad will take the lecture. Okay, in the similar way we can upload the timetable for all. Okay, by selecting the course and the teacher and the time slot. Okay, add. Okay, so now without wasting any time, let me add the complete timetable, because if I add the uh, timetable like one by one, then it will take a lot of time. So let me fast forward the video for some time, and let me add the timetable. So for Monday I have added the timetable. Okay, in the similar way we can do for the Tuesday, Wednesday, and the Thursday and the Friday. Okay, so I'll select the Tuesday, and one more very important thing here is, now let's suppose I want to update. Okay, so for Tuesday, uh, the course is assembly language and the teacher is Murad for the slot time 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, so let me change that. Okay, I'll select the Tuesday and time slot 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, I don't want assembly language. Okay, I want it to be a compiler language, so I can update it. Okay, I want Murad to take compiler design 2 course, not assembly languages. I'll add it. Now we can clearly see it got changed here. Okay, from assembly to compiler design 2. So in the similar way we can add and update the uh, timetable. So let me do for the Wednesday also, and also let me select the same course for all. Okay, for saving the time. For Wednesday also it got added. Thursday. For Thursday also it got added here, and the last day is Friday. So now we can see here we have scheduled the complete timetable. Okay, day wise and the time slot wise. Correct. So we can clearly understand, like here C represents the course and T means teacher. Okay, so for each day and for each time slot we can see the course and the teacher. Okay, that means this teacher will take this course on this time slot on Monday, correct? So if everything is clear, if we don't want to update anything, okay, we can click on the timetable, upload timetable button now. Okay, if we want to update anything, we can simply select the day, time slot, select course and teacher, and we can update it. Okay, so now as of now, since I have added the complete thing, now I'll upload the timetable. Now timetable saved successful. Okay, and now I'll again go to the view grades, and I'll click on batches now, and this time for the batch 1 we are getting view timetable. Why? Because we have uploaded the timetable for the batch 1. Okay, and for batch 2 still it is showing upload timetable because we have to upload the timetable for the batch 2. Okay, but since we have added the batch 1, let's see the timetable for the batch 1. Okay, and we can see the same timetable here which we have added for the batch 1, correct? And apart from that, we have also got the option at the navigation bar, that is view timetable. Okay, so from here basically uh, admin can filter out the timetable, okay, by selecting the grade, by selecting the batch, course and the teacher. Okay, so let's see the complete thing. So the very first thing, I'll click on the get timetable. Okay, so please select batch. Okay, selecting the batch is mandatory, and if I click on the download timetable, so no timetable data found. Okay, because we have not selected anything, correct? So yeah, that will also not work. Now I'll select the grade. Okay, so let's suppose I want to see the BTech second year sem 2. Okay, so I'll get the timetable now. Okay, please select the batch. Okay, because we have uploaded the timetable batch wise for the grade. Okay, so now I'll select the batch. Okay, so I'll select the batch 2 for which I have not uploaded the timetable, correct? So I'll get the timetable, data not found, because we have not uploaded the timetable for the BTech second year sem 2 batch 2. Okay, we have added for the batch 1. Okay, so I'll select the batch 1, and now I'll click on the get timetable. Okay, and now we can see the complete timetable again, correct? So the same thing we are able to see here. Okay, also admin can download the timetable from here, so I'll click on the download timetable and let it download, and I will open it now. So we can again see the complete detail in the Excel format. Okay, so that it will be easy for the students and the teachers or admin to view the complete detail. Okay, the same thing we are able to see here. Okay, complete thing we are able to see now in the Excel format. So yeah, now after this we have selected for the batch 1. Now let's suppose I want all the timetable like for the teacher 10. Okay, so I'll select the teacher 10 and I'll get the timetable. Okay, so here we can see the timetable got filtered out. Okay, based on the teacher 10. Okay, so whatever course which teacher 10 is taking, we are able to see only uh, that entry here. Okay, in the similar way, if I select Murad, so Murad is taking this much course, then Mubarak. Okay, again I'll select the teacher 10, and after that we can also select the course. Okay, so let's suppose I want only the timetable for the teacher 10 who is taking the course compiler design 2. So we can see here compiler designer 2. Okay, so wherever compiler 2, designer 2 and teacher 10 is present, only that data we will be able to see. We can see here compiler, then compiler, again this is compiler. So let me filter out, and we can see here compiler design to teacher 10. Okay, it got filtered out here based on the teacher and the compiler. Now let's suppose I don't want using the teacher. Okay, I just want by using the course. Okay, so I selected the let me select the assembly language and get timetable. So here we can see all the courses. Okay, assembly language is very important because we have selected that. And but teacher, we can see Murad also, Mubarak also, teacher 10 also, because here we have not selected the teacher. But if I select teacher 10, then all the assembly language with the teacher 10 will get filtered out. Okay, and we can download this also. Now let's suppose I want to download the timetable for the batch 1 for the teacher 10. I can get it and I can download this also now. Okay, I'll open it and we can see here compiler design. Okay, for teacher 10 we can see the complete data now. Teacher 10, teacher 10. Okay, so now admin has downloaded the table, timetable for the teacher 10. Okay, so this was the all the functionalities which I have added at the admin side. Okay, now since we have registered the teacher 10, okay, so I'll copy the email ID of the teacher and now I will log out as admin and log in as a teacher. Login user, select teacher, enter the email ID. I'll enter the password here, the correct password. Login successful. And as soon as I logged in as a teacher, I have got multiple options in the navigation bar. Okay, the very first one is timetable. Okay, so I'll select click on the timetable, and here since admin has added the timetable, okay, so he can see the complete detail of the timetable here. Okay, so here, but the thing is we are able to see grade also and batch also. In the admin side, admin was able to see the course and the teacher. Okay, but here we are not able to see the teacher because we know teacher has only logged in into the system, teacher 10, that is. Okay, but here teacher will be able to see the complete detail about the batch, the grade and the course which he have to take for the time slot. Okay, here teacher 10 has to take the lecture for BTech second year sem 2 grade for batch 1 and the course is compiler 2. In the similar way he can see the complete detail here for all day and for each time slot. Okay, so that means on Monday teacher 10 have to take only 3 lecture, that is batch 1, compiler 2 and the compiler 2. Okay, and again he can also download the timetable from here as I have shown in the admin side. So after this the next option is my profile. So here teacher will be able to see his personal data. Okay, the role is teacher here and the first name, last name, email ID, contact and the address. Okay, the next option is view students. So here since there are no students, okay, present in the university because till now we have not registered any student. Okay, so that's the reason this is empty now. So teacher has got the option to register the student. Okay, so I'll register the student here. Okay, student 1, student 1. I'll select the grade here because uh, student will be from the grade and from some of the batch, right? So let me add the BTech second year only. Okay, BTech second year sem 2. Okay, for which we are adding the data, and let me select the batch 1. Okay, for which we have uploaded the timetable. Okay, and student 1, the email ID I am entering here. Register user, and user registered successful. And now if I click on the view students, we can see student 1 got registered. Okay, in the grade BTech second year sem 2 for the batch 1. We can delete from the student from here also. Okay, but as of now I think student 1 is enough, one student is enough. Okay, because again if we register another student it will take time. So yeah, only one student is enough. Okay, so from here we can see teacher can see the complete timetable detail, and here the very important thing is the batch 1 and the grade. Okay, it is possible that admin can assign the teacher, okay, another grade and another batch also. Okay, this time we can see at all places BTech sem 2, BTech second year sem 2. Okay, everywhere we are able to see the same timetable. Okay, why? Because we have registered the new teacher also and new grade also, and we have uploaded the fresh timetable also. Okay, so that is the reason. But definitely admin can uh, upload the timetable for the batch 2 also, in which maybe this teacher 10 have to take the batch at the slot on slot 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, so this is just for the batch 1. Okay, it will get filled when admin will like upload the timetable for other grades and other batches. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. If you have any doubt or anything, you can contact me or you can just drop a comment. Okay, I'll reply there. So yeah, so now I will log out as a teacher and I will log in as a student. Okay, so I have copied the student email ID. Now I will log in as a student because we have registered the student. Now enter the correct password here, log in, and logged in successful. And here also student can also see the profile. The role is student now, first name, last name, email ID. Okay, and the batch is btech second year sem 2. And now I'll click on the timetable, and again we will be able to see the same timetable because this student 1 is registered in the grade btech second year sem 2 and in the batch 1 for which we have uploaded the timetable. Okay, so that is the reason we are able to see the complete timetable here. Okay, but what if this students is from the batch 2, then he will not be able to see the timetable because we have not uploaded the timetable for that batch. Okay, batch 2 that is. And again student can also download the timetable from here. And now I will log out as a student and again I will log in as a teacher. I will show some more functionalities, okay, which is real time actually. Login, and here now from the teacher side we have seen the complete functionality except these two functionalities, that is deactivate batch and the transfer batch. Okay, so now here we can transfer the batch to another batch also. We know we have registered the student for the batch btech second year sem 2 and for the batch 1, correct? So we can transfer it to another grade also. Okay, this is very important. So I will register another grade because this is possible, like after completion of this grade he will definitely go to the another batch. Okay, in another grade. Okay, now he is doing btech second year. Okay, so definitely he will go to the btech third year sem 1. Okay, this is the flow, right, in any university actually. So I will register the one more grade there. Okay, and the grade I will give as a, let me see the last batch. Okay, btech third year now. Okay, because after second year there will be a third year definitely, and it will be firstly sem 1 then sem 2, correct? So I will add the semester 1 firstly and add grade. I'll click on the grade and our grade got added here, and we can uh, add the courses here and also the batch. But as of now the batch is very important, okay, because we have to transfer the batch. Okay, batch 1 for the grade btech third year sem 1. Okay, batch 1 also we have added, and batch 2 also let's add. Select the grade. Okay, and again if I click on the grades now, here I'll click on the batches and we can see batch 1, batch 2, correct? Now I will log in as a teacher again. Logged in successful, and here we can transfer the batch. Now after the completion of the this grade, okay, that is btech second year sem 2, definitely student will go to the btech third year sem 1, right? So definitely timetable should change. Okay, because we have added the timetable for the btech second year sem 2. Okay, and if he goes to the third year, then he should be able to see the third year timetable, correct? So we can transfer the batch. That's why I have added this functionality here. So I'll select the, so we can transfer the batch. Okay, transfer batch students from one batch to another batch. Okay, so for transferring the batch, firstly we have to select the from batch, which is for which I have to select the grades. Okay, btech second year sem 2. Okay, I have to transfer this batch, okay, this grade and the batch 1 to the btech third year sem 1, because after completion of second year sem 2, student will go to the third year sem 1. Okay, again I am repeating that. Okay, uh, so now we have to transfer to batch 1 only. Okay, we can transfer to batch 2 also, but let's transfer to batch 1 only. Okay, transfer the batch now, and students transfer to another batch. And now if I click on the view students, this student 1 was previously added in the btech second year sem 2, but now it has like transferred to the btech third year sem 1 in the batch 1. Okay, so now what I will do is I will log out as a teacher and I will again log in as a student to see the timetable, and this time we should not be able to see the same timetable. Okay, because that timetable was added for the btech second year sem 2 batch 1. Okay, but now he is in third year, correct? So I'll click on the timetable now. This is empty. Okay, okay, for the same student previously data was there. Okay, because he was in the btech second year, now he is in uh, because now he is transferred to the btech third year sem 1. Okay, we can say promoted to. Okay, now I'll log out and again I will log in as a teacher. Okay, to see another functionality. So I hope you're getting my point. I have tried to implement the real-time scenarios here. Okay, so after transfer batch we have option called deactivate batch. Now let's suppose I want to deactivate any batch. Okay, why I have added the deactivate batch student functionality here? Because after completion of all the like grade, okay, student will definitely leave the university, right? For example, let's suppose student is doing the final year last semester, so after completion of that semester definitely he will leave the university. So at that time we have to deactivate those students so that they cannot log in to our website again. Okay, because they are passed out now. Okay, so we can deactivate the batch also. This is the reason I have added this functionality. So I'll select the batch btech third year sem 1. I want to deactivate this thing. Okay, batch wise I can deactivate. So deactivate students, and now again if I click on the view students, now we are not able to see that student because we have deactivated those students which are present in the btech third year semester 1 for the batch 1. Okay, in the similar way we can transfer batch and deactivate the batch after completion of the uh, all the semesters. Okay, so this was the complete overview of the project. I have implemented all the functionalities by considering the real-time scenarios. I hope you guys liked the video and all the functionalities which I have added in this project. If you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really takes lots of time and efforts for creating such type of projects. Students can use this project for the learning purpose. They can use this for creating their own project, and also they can add this project in resume. Okay, and we will meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.